Welcome to the Moneymaker channel. Ever wondered how some people seem to make money in their sleep? How they've unlocked the freedom to travel, to explore, to live their lives without being shackled to a 9-to-5 vibe? Dive in with us into the world of passive income, a financial strategy that's as intriguing as it is rewarding. Think of passive income as a stream that keeps flowing even when you're not actively working to fill it. It's money that you earn from an enterprise in which you're not actively involved, and it's a route to financial independence that's gaining popularity by the day. So how does one create these magical streams of passive income? Let's get into the multiple possibilities. I will discuss these options. Stay to the end and get my email for a free ebook. First, identify an avenue. This could be anything from rental income, dividend stocks, index funds, to online ventures like blogging, podcasting, or creating digital products. Each one of these has its own set of pros and cons, so it's essential to do your homework and choose the one that aligns with your goals and skills. Second, invest. This could be investment of time, money, or both. For instance, if you choose to create a blog, you'll need to invest time in creating quality content and money in setting up a website. If you're leaning towards dividend stocks or index funds, you'll need to invest money to buy shares or units. Third, be patient. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience and consistency. Your blog might not get readers overnight. Your stocks might not yield dividends immediately, but stay the course and you'll start to see the fruits of your labor. Fourth, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Have multiple streams of passive income. That way, if one stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. Finally, reinvest. Once you start earning passive income, don't just spend it all. Reinvest a part of it back into your income stream to keep it growing. So to recap, identify an avenue, invest time or money, be patient, diversify your streams, and reinvest your earnings. If you're thinking, I don't know where to start, wait until the end of this video to see this time and test proven online passive income with the government that is automated. This, my friends, is the essence of creating passive income. It's a journey, not a destination. It's about setting up systems that generate income for you, regardless of whether you're sipping coffee in a Parisian cafe or sleeping in your bed. As we wrap up, remember this: passive income is not a myth, it's a strategy. So you're in the right place. We offer you the niche, the systems, and the processes. A system designed to require minimal effort on your part. Set it up once and watch the income flow in, and achieve financial freedom, generational wealth. Introducing our revolutionary Level Up Your Finances. It's designed to provide you with a passive income stream that works for you, even while you sleep. And it's not just for the rich, it's for anyone willing to invest, be patient, diversify, and reinvest. With these steps that we offer with Make More Money Online, you're now equipped to embark on your own passive income journey. Here's to creating wealth and gaining freedom, one passive income stream at a time. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts. Join us at www.levelurfinances.bell2automotive.com. Email us at yvonne@levelurfinances.com to get your free ebook and join our challenge to success.